Hey y'all, I am Shane. I am the creator behind multiple brands that makes creative based on data, not just guess. And I am here to help bring your creative vision to life. In this video, here is what you will discover.
Welcome to Saaltlab, your audience, your flavor, your growth.
Let's dive in. Whee! All right, y'all. So first thing we're going to do is create a design. So go to videos and then we will go to YouTube videos right there. So click that, wait for that to load just for a sec. We're going to start off with a nice blank, clean canvas here. And then what I'll do is I'll go to elements and I am going to use something I already recently used. It's a watercolor landscape. So that's all you need to do right there in the search bar. Just type in watercolor landscape and you'll find this and others like it. So next I will find my bumblebee. So we're going to be adding bumblebees to this beautiful watercolor landscape. And just type in bumblebee animation and I find that one there. This one looks pretty beautiful and it's already moving. It's already flapping its wings and it looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and position it. I'm going to make it a little small and I'm going to tilt it, and I will also flip it. So to flip it, you just go to flip at the top and then it flips the opposite way. And I just want to position it at the bottom left corner of the screen here so it will fly straight to the right. And what we'll do is go to animate and then animations, that bumblebee, and we'll just hold and click. Hold and drag, click and hold and drag, and we'll take that across the screen. Oops, actually I messed up there. So let's go back and try it again. So what we'll do is we'll select delete path right there. Yep, and then we'll just do the same thing. So we'll click and drag and hold it, and we'll just move a little faster this time. If we go too slow, it'll just time out on its own. So look at that beautiful animation there flying amongst the beautiful lavender. That's what we're saying it is. So when you're done, you just click done and there you go. And so let's do another one. We're going to make this one smaller and we are going to put this on the opposite end. Click animate and then create animation again, and we'll drag this one on the opposite end on the left side, nice and steady and smooth. And what you'll do now is select done, and so we hit done, and I'm gonna add a third. So this is a flurry of bumblebees, and this is going to be the queen bee. We'll make this one the biggest one that we have, and we're going to put this one at the top right of our screen here, and I'm going to position this just a little tilt here, all the way at the top right end of the screen so it can come down. And then again we'll go to animate and we will create animation, and we will again click and drag. I'm gonna have this one hover over the other two bumblebees below. So that is done. So we'll click done here. So we'll click done and we'll bring this to the top and let's see what this looks like.
Hey, if you run one or multiple businesses like me, they ain't got time for all this.
We don't have time for that.
Right? I get it. You'd rather have someone else do the work. So go to our website at saaltlab.com and select an unlimited plan that fits all of your business's design needs in Canva, plus more. You can pause or cancel anytime. The link is in the description below. So use code SALTY24 to get $100 off your first month. Also sign up for our newsletter for more practical tips on how to make more money in your business with good design and powerful tools. The link is below. Okay, cool. Let's jump back in.
Oh, this is really nice. Oh, this is really cool. So guys, we can use this. We can do these animations with anything. So if you have a corporate video, a video that you want to put on your website, or any animation of that nature, you just go in that search bar, find an animation that works, and it'll do just what we did here. It's really simple. So you click it and then select animation and you get it done. Another cool feature here is that we can speed it up. So that custom button that I just clicked, We can speed it to any speed that we want. I like this one slow because they're bumblebees that look like they're kind of floating. But for anything else, if you need to increase the speed, you can also do that. So let's see what it looks like big screen. This is what it looks like large, and it looks absolutely great. The colors in this are really cool. Then it's real simple. All we need to do to download is share, and then download.
Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Until next time, God bless and go out and create something great.